Why hello there. Today we look at the premier AVI-8 Hawker Harrier HUD. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. There's a saying that a boy never outgrows his toys. Rather, the toys just get progressively pricier. Here's a toy for you. A simple watch, but every time you will check the time, for a split second, it will make you feel like you're looking through a HUD of a jet fighter. And how cool is that? You'd be pressed hard to find a better explanation of what is the value proposition of a watch in 2024 than the one provided by this AVI-8. It's not a marvel of engineering. It is made of cheap materials. There's no sapphire, just plain and simple mineral glass. It's big-ass humongous, and yet offers just 50 meters of water resistance. It has a basic movement, a solid Seiko, but after durable and reliable, you'll quickly run out of nice adjectives to describe it. Not to mention the ludicrous details, like a strap that glows in the dark. Hold my beer. But does it even matter at all? It has nothing to do with what it is, and everything to do with how it makes you feel. Look at it. This is just pure, untamed fun. It might be off by a full minute in barely 2 days, but it will make you smile every time you see it. That being said, at HHN, we are not ignoring the obvious downsides. The size suggests it was designed for the sumo wrestlers. The HUD effect is possible only because the dial is also covered with glass. Twice mineral glass equals twice the light reflections. Don't get fooled by those carefully arranged press photos. And yet, before we managed to release this video, the green and blue ones were already sold out, with only the red ones remaining. Damn, it's like flying the Hawker Harrier toward a setting sun.
Oh really? Don't get all Top Gun on me, pretty please.
On the contrary, I feel nostalgic after that little jet that could. Why even go supersonic if you can land vertically, or even turn on a dime? Now all but gone from the skies. Let's face it, AVI-8 just nailed that one. And touchdown. Now taxi your Harrier to the starboard elevator, but seriously, thank you and see you in the next one.